Hi guys!
What are we drawing today?
We're going to draw a hot chocolate!
With some tasty marshmallows. Don't forget to
like and subscribe, comment down below and give us a huge thumbs up. But see you in there! Right guys, so we're going to start with the eyes.
Yep, exactly. So we're going to do 2 eyes in the centre, but a bit further down.
I'm doing mine a bit big.
Are you?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put mine about here. So I'm going to do some...
I'm doing a big mug.
Are you?
Yeah.
Nice. Tasty big hot chocolate, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to draw it like this and then just leaving a couple of circles like that, and then we'll, at the end we'll colour that bit in. Oh, I love yours, this big happy grin. And then we're going to draw another eye,
I'm doing
just the same
one.
Just on the opposite side, just here, and try and keep them the same size. Yep. And then I'm going to draw the top of the eyes just like that, and then again leaving another one at the bottom there, and I can colour them at the end.
I did them on the side.
Very cute, I love it. And then, like you, I think I'm going to do the exact same mouth. I'm going to copy your mouth because your mouth is super cool. Very happy little mug. There you go. Nice. Cool. Now I'm going to draw, I think, the top of the mug. So I'm going to draw it here.
I'm going to go like for a different mug.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm going to curl it down and round afterwards. Just like that. And it's going to curl back upwards. And then I'm going to do the handle. So it's going to curve round just like that. And then go and do another one. Just going around it.
I'm going to do mine on a plate.
Like that. Are you?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Like maybe
I think I'm going to do some
handle.
marshmallows on mine. So.
I'm drawing a candy cane.
Are you?
And then I'm not gonna draw some marshmallows.
I think I'm going to draw some marshmallows with a little face.
I'm gonna draw my candy cane with a little face.
Yep, and then I'm going to connect the top of the bit of the cup there.
Look at my funny candy cane.
Oh, I love it. It's like because of it's just after Christmas, isn't it?
Yeah.
For the new year, and it's a bit cold outside.
New Year.
Yeah, exactly.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna draw
a couple of marshmallows, and then I'm gonna curl it around.
I always have marshmallows.
And then I think I'm gonna add some little swirls as well for where it's a bit hot, and then a bit of cream and froth on the surface, and then I'm going to curve that round to finish it off.
I'm doing
and then
cat marshmallows.
Because it's an extra chocolatey one, I think I'm going to have some chocolate coming down the side.
I'm doing cat marshmallows.
Because I think the best hot chocolate is the one where it's made out of real chocolate, isn't it? Not powder, but like where you melt chocolate.
Yeah, like from the place we have.
Yeah, exactly. Like pure chocolate.
Yeah, I really like their ice creams.
They're delicious.
Yeah.
Right, time to colour in, guys. Let's get to it.
This was a quick and easy one. I hope you like it.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe.
So this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye guys!
Thanks for watching.